Hi, this is Bipasha Basu.
And Karan Singh Grover.
You're watching us on
Bollywood
Hungama.
I'm not meeting you alone ever, Bipasha. Wish you the best for your film. God bless you. That's what Shah Rukh Khan tweeted about the promo of Alone, and we have with us the star cast, a very hot star cast, Karan Singh Grover and Bipasha Basu. Wonderful to have you guys back on Bollywood Hungama. You for the first time.
Yeah.
And how do you react to Shah Rukh Khan tweeting about your movie?
I felt very heartbroken at that moment, but that's what I tweeted back. I said the rate at which people are saying the same thing to me,
Right.
I'll end up being alone all my life.
Right.
Yeah, but
Maybe they
there
want
are other
both of you
aspects
together.
to me
Both of-
which is
both
not
of
so
you together,
scary.
yeah.
With him?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll see.
So he wants to meet you and Karan together.
Yeah, maybe we'll meet Shah Rukh together.
Definitely.
But I think in quite some time, this is the best response that you've got for any of your movies.
It's one of the most talked about trailers of the year. One of the most talked about, and to get like hits like more than 5 million, it's a incredible task for a horror genre film.
Right.
And the kind of word of mouth went on with about the trailer. People from the masses and classes, and that's the difficulty generally for a horror genre.
Right.
Generally, the elite kind of shies away from a horror film. Many of my films have done really well, but
Right.
it's the masses which have the maximum fan following for horror films in India. So what's great is that the youth is kind of loving this trailer. So
Right.
that's where somewhere you feel that it's one of those films which will have a different audience, and it will have a lot of classes too.
And your first film, I think you have a tremendous following as far as because of your serials is concerned.
Yeah.
And a lot of it is I think family audience because
Yes.
of the roles that you portrayed. And now it's a diametrically opposite in a way. I think role that you're having from what you're perceived as. So are you ready for the sort of image breakover in a way?
I don't know what image I'm breaking actually, because
You're having all those Khubul hai and all these serials that
I know, but this is
because here you're having you've said that your designer has given you less of clothes because most of the time you're wearing
not
any
many
clothes
clothes at all
Yeah,
actually.
so-
Yeah.
Weren't you like shirtless in serials also?
Yeah, I've been taking my clothes off for many years now.
I don't think there's a change of image here.
Yeah, there's no change of image. I usually.
But Faridun, you have to
Right.
know that our film is essentially a love story.
Right.
Yeah,
It is a passionate, and yes, it is for adults, it's not for kids. But, it is that kind of a romance, and it is a very mature romance, which even family going audiences, they understand that. It talks about a marriage, a relationship which is going through different, phases of its own. So there are good times, there are bad times, and why it happens. So it's not like, just because there is more passion, it does not mean that it's not for the family audience.
Right.
Families have adults in them. Families are not only comprising of kids. So, the mom and dad in each family can go and watch
my
a
question
film like
basically
Alone.
was that family in the sense when you have like a serial audience and the dadis and everyone they start connecting with a certain.
I know
because
some cool
mostly
dadis
in
who will
television
like Alone.
serials,
The
they
anchor of the
identify with the
story.
character more than the actors.
The
Yeah.
anchor of the story is love.
Right.
It's what people do when they're in love and how they would react in a situation like this.
Right.
It's only the horrors around it. And that's love is something that everyone connects with.
Right.
It doesn't have an age group.
You've said that this is my boldest film.
Yes.
So and it is I think Katra Katra is a beautifully
Yes.
shot video,
Yes.
but the chemistry is
Aesthetically,
we've
it
never
is-
seen you like this.
Aesthetically,
There's
I
no
would
jism as
say yes. It's a film in terms of passion. After Jism, I am doing a film. After 10 years, a film like this.
Right.
And definitely in 10 years, you have to step up. So, and I really have to say, when I watched Katra for the first time, it's just very beautiful. It is extremely sensuous and
Right.
passionate. And my worry would be if it looked bad,
Right.
or sometimes things can look a little off,
Right.
but it looks really hot.
No, absolutely.
So, yeah.
Absolutely.
So I'm very happy with the way Katra is looking,
Right.
and the kind of response we are getting to Katra is also very positive in the sense people like us on screen together, and it's
Absolutely.
very
Which is
important
very,
when
very
you're playing
important.
husband and wife, the chemistry of the film.
And you're
then
working
the-
with somebody for the first time, and you're supposed to show the 7 your relationship that you've had. You know? It doesn't happen with everybody.
A friend of mine he just told me that the reason why the ghost, the ghost sister is angry with Bipasha is because of the fact that when she's seeing all those scenes between Karan and Bipasha, that's why she's getting jealous of, because she's seeing your body and Bipasha is having all those.
The ghost.
That's why the ghost is angry actually. That's what my friend thinks.
Let the friend guess what the.
Yeah,
That's
she's
quite
angry.
What is your response to this? It's an interesting observation, you know.
It's a very interesting observation, very far from the truth.
But quite far fetched.
Because, you know, my friend was saying that the way Bipasha is moving her hands on his back, and you know, it's like testing it, like literally the chest and everything. Yeah, no, seriously, she is
I
literally.
don't know what to say to this. Summit.
Right. It's that's what my friend actually.
Who's your friend? I would like to have a word
I'll-
with
I'll-
this friend.
I'll make you talk to him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how do you react to something of this sort? That the ghost is upset with Bipasha because of the fact that she's having.
Yeah, no, it's a very interesting
see,
thought
if you see the
process.
if you see the poster,
Yeah.
Ghost is also hanging by
Right.
him little bit.
In fact, she's literally digging.
Yeah,
her
yeah,
nails.
digging the
There's
claws
a difference
straight
actually,
into.
literally digging a claw.
Yeah.
Okay, now you know we just heard all these stories that apparently you guys are linked together and that's like a publicity stunt and all that. But you know when we read stuff, and I was reading one of his interviews, so you know somewhere it feels that. He is genuinely having certain emotions for you. I'll just give you an example. He said that.
You are telling.
No.
He'll only tell me ना.
मैं आपको इंटरव्यू का मैं बता रहा हूँ. शायद आपने पढ़ा नहीं हो. That
क्यों
is
बोलते हो इतना?
that he said that my chemistry with Bipasha Basu was awesome, right? I used to tell everyone on the set that I cannot imagine that you guys are paying me to do this.
He says
we are
this all the
shooting
time.
at beautiful locations, and I'm shooting with this really hot woman, and she is in my arms all the time, and I'm getting paid for it. I mean, I love my life. So
He says
Yeah.
this to,
and
in
he's also
every
Bipasha is more than a
place.
friend. That's what he. As she's also inspiration. That's
As
a
an
complete,
inspiration.
yeah,
Well, I am a very likable person,
Right.
and if Karan doesn't like me, I would be like shocked.
It's,
So it's a
it's
good
not
thing
about
that
liking. This is like he's talking about like really hot
But
woman.
he's
and-
She is really hot.
in my
But I'm
arms
not
and I'm
blind,
getting
I
paid
can
for it.
Faridun,
Yeah.
She
give
is
me
very
that.
hot.
I am pretty hot.
Absolutely. Not pretty hot, you're very hot.
Very hot.
I
Yeah.
really enjoy this discussion.
right.
So sweetly,
Jal
you're
gaya,
telling
jal
me
gaya.
what he's told me.
Yeah.
Why you talk so much? Keep quiet now.
But it's true. It's true. They said you share your feelings. So I shared my
You know, my thinking is it's not my friend who's talking now. That somewhere it's not a publicity stunt, the link up. You somewhere feel something for Bipasha Basu. Genuinely.
I, as an
It's
actor,
okay.
as
Say,
a,
yeah,
not
I
as an
feel
actor,
She's a very
but-
nice
yeah.
person. Say it. You can't say
A
it.
nice person is like a very safe way out, actually, to be honest.
Why should he be unsafe?
It's like a very safe way
I
out.
feel a lot of
Be
emotion.
safe.
Because
Can you be safe?
I'm safe.
Okay.
Because the sort of chemistry that you are having, like especially in Qatar, I don't know what else you guys are having in store. It's like, you know, as reminds you like Basic Instinct and all those.
Yeah, you know
seriously.
that, you know, Basic Instinct and all, they are all actors. You have to always remember that everybody are,
Right.
when you're in front of cameras
Right.
and you have lightmen, you have people,
Right.
whatever you're doing, at the back of your head, you're doing it for your work. So this, you know, we go
see,
through various sentiments when
He
we're
wants
working.
to say something.
You
He
don't
wants
say
to
anything
admit,
only.
he wants to confess.
I'm just
He
saying.
wants to confess. Confession time.
Faridun,
Karan Singh bro.
You're going to make
I'm
something
saying,
else out of our
okay,
interview.
fine. No, this is confession.
Can
okay,
you
I'll tell
please get some tape
No,
for
no.
Karan's mouth?
This is a confession right now.
All
I'm telling you.
interviews will sit quietly, I will talk.
But
Maximum time he was not talking. Now only
I
like
know,
I'm
I'm
making him
just
talk.
saying,
Yeah,
see,
please.
I was watching the video of Katra. I watch it very often actually.
Right.
And
You know,
once while watching it,
Serious.
I got so involved in watching it and I said, man, this guy is so lucky. And then I realized it's me only. Because at that time, my emotion was completely different because my hands were sweaty. I didn't want to do anything badly. I knew that you'll get very limited takes to do this. Everything has to be perfect. The lady has to feel comfortable. Everything has to look beautiful. So there are multiple thoughts. You're not thinking of what the feeling is at that time.
Did you
You're
ask for
just-
more takes?
No, you
No,
can't
I-
ask.
There was no reason to, I think. We just kind of, everything flowed in one flow together and before we knew it, it was over.
Absolutely. I have one question, not in a frivolous manner, but very,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
objectively.
Yeah.
Somewhere in India, in movies, we, I think, make a lot of taboo around the entire kissing part of it. And somewhere, most of the times, we don't see proper kissing in the first place. But
every
here in
single-
Katra, it's something which is like seamless. It's like
Every
flowing
single
very, very
film
seamlessly.
in today's time has kiss and love making, even the so-called family audience films, what you're talking about. Every
Right.
film has a
Right,
kiss.
right, right.
It's a given now.
We just make it look
I
better.
started acting in the times when kissing was a taboo. So when I was first asked to kiss on screen in Bachna Hasino, I actually told Adi, I will do love making scene, but I will not kiss because kiss is very intimate. It's very tough to kiss. Because I started a little earlier. I started in 2001 acting.
Right,
At that time,
right.
kissing was not required.
Right.
In today's time, all the newcomers, every film, there is smooching, love making in every kind of film, rom-coms.
But even smooching, it's not something which is seamless. This is something which
no,
is
but
like
I
very
have to say,
seamless.
we really have done it
The way
very well.
the couples will do actually.
We have kissed really well. on
We just make
screen.
everything look good.
And but the first reaction I got from my very close friend Deanne Pandey, you must be knowing her.
Absolutely.
Deanne
He
is-
said, Bipasha, you should start kissing classes after this.
Yeah.
You should
and,
start.
and to that I said, you can use me as a subject to show your students.
Once
Don't
again,
listen to
confession.
him, no.
is like-
Don't
Matlab we are-
listen to him, Faridun.
Haan.
This is okay.
Very-
you
I
don't know
think I
Karan,
like-
no?
Haan.
Nobody knows Karan. Now, this
Right.
is constant Karan. He
Right.
just talks non-stop.
Right.
You're not supposed to pay so much attention to him.
No, but he is the subject.
I am
Don't-
saying,
don't, but he talks
if
also.
you're giving kissing classes, then might as well I'll
You
be the
keep going.
subject.
I'm
Yeah.
not giving. It was just a.
I'm just saying.
Okay, but Bipasha Basu, very objectively, I just want to have your opinion. I think
trying
he's
to put me in
a
a-
lot of women. I think they're literally just rooting for him
Yeah.
in terms of the
Yeah,
sort
yeah.
of.
I'm so
apparently, I
happy.
think he
All the
never-
women, please come and watch Alone.
Apparently, he never stops. I think working out even during shooting. I think
That's
he's
the
working
best
out.
part about
Yeah.
him.
So he's working. So in that, I think in terms of if you have to rate him like say 1 to 10 in terms of
10. 10 on 10.
Listen, at least was what he asked.
No, I know. In terms of fitness, you know,
Right.
I have worked with
No,
a lot of
desirability
male
quotient.
actors.
Desirability quotient.
Oh, desirability
quotient.
quotient.
Fitness तो मतलब दिख ही रहा है.
See?
No, I-
10 you gave me already now.
No, for me, what I like about a man or a woman is the fact that if they can respect their body and do something for it. And Karan is a very inspirational co-star because I've worked with a lot of people, but there are very few people who can match my energy levels
Right.
in terms of working the whole day. After pack up, in Kerala, we used to go and work out, and then we used to meet our unit every day. It used to be a pattern.
But it's the other way around. She is actually the inspiration. you know,
Right.
Because after
Yeah, he
when
said
we,
that.
we were shooting the song, after shooting the song, you were
Kerala was really hot. It
in
was
the
really
sun,
tiring.
You're working all day. You have limited meals because you have. I count my protein and carbohydrates and minerals and fiber that I eat.
Yeah,
Like it's
that's
a calculation
weird.
in my head with every meal.
Right. When is your last meal of the day?
Last depends on how the day has been.
Okay.
Yeah, 3ish I think.
3 in the afternoon.
3 a.m.
3 a.m. is your last meal
in the morning. Yeah.
in the morning. So what exactly do you have in the?
Mostly a slow release protein, casein.
Right.
He counts
So do you
his protein.
discuss
It's
like
very weird. When everyone's sitting on a table like unit, he'll look at this chicken, 40 grams of protein,
There's 2 breasts.
20. It's like, it's so, we all used to get very, you know, every time.
But even I think you are very. I think.
But I don't, I eat food.
No, what I was saying that time was she's the inspiration. At the end of the day, when we
Work
were
out.
He
shooting,
is saying again and again inspiration. Let me complete the quote that you made. Bipasha is more than a friend, as she is also an inspiration.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I am an inspiration. Yeah, which I am very inspirational to lots of people in
Absolutely.
terms of
And-
health and fitness.
not only
Yes,
health
and
and
discipline.
fitness, but
Even in terms of I think arthritis, the way you battled that was hugely I think admirable.
Yes, I think that's a very, very big thing because from a person who was absolutely unfit person, my handicap actually has made me a very strong person, and also I can talk about it. So many more people, you know, they don't give up on themselves. They kind
Right.
of do something for themselves.
No, that is brilliant. Absolutely. Okay, now apart from the entire love and the steamy part, there is I think more to Alone as well in terms of that entire conjoined
Yes.
twins angle that you guys have
Yes.
taken. The story is actually having a reason behind it, and it's actually having a like a backstory to it.
Yes.
Did you find that interesting when you heard it for the first time?
You know, for me, Alone, the entire storytelling and the screenplay, very, very nicely written film. When Bhushan narrated it to me,
Right.
it is, we have taken the official rights of Alone, the
Right,
Thai
right,
film,
right.
but we have adapted it completely. So the twist that Bhushan has put into it is definitely making this film much more complete and much more interesting. The angle of the conjoined twins, the Sanjana, Anjana, the two girls being so different yet together, and in love with the same man. It's got really a lot of emotions as a actor to play two different girls in love with the same man and their relationship with the man, one being alive and one being dead. So there are lots of things about Alone which attracted me in terms of it is a little complex. It is not a real zone, you know. Playing a dead woman and in love with a guy, it's like it's nothing very real about it. It is a very entertaining film. When you watch it, you'll know what he has made. He's put right amount of romance, passion to horror, music. It's a good blend of everything.
For you, how was the experience of the entire song and dance routine?
We have a dance song, Touch My Body.
Right.
Yeah, that also,
That
Touch My
right,
Body.
right.
Yeah. Body
Don't be
goes
shy,
in.
touch my body.
Don't be shy, touch my body, yeah.
Right. Okay, so how was your experience of the entire song and dance routine?
Of the entire song and dance routine, and also the film was fantabulous for me actually, because it's my first film, and to have so many things that are right in this film, everything from the script to the actor to the director to the songwriters to the songs, the way they've come out to the way it's been shot, everything seems so perfect for me at this time. I feel very, very happy that that they decided to ask me to do this film.
Both of you have come out of a relationship recently. So how do you look at the entire relationship angle as far as you're concerned for future? Because I think you have made certain statements that you wouldn't want to get into a relationship in the immediate future. And even your mother is apparently very. She's
Our
given up
mother
on
can
you.
do what she
has
wants.
given
She
up.
knows finally it's my life. Every parent wants their child to be happy, and that is your drive in life should be to be only happy, because you're born alone and you're going to die alone. Just because of certain reasons, there is no reason to be in a relationship. I believe that if you can't make someone completely happy
Right.
and you don't get that happiness back, it's just futile to be in a relationship like that. I definitely believe that's the first core reason to be with someone is to be happy. And if that part is missing, then you need to definitely, because there's only one life. Why would you want to suffer and make someone else suffer? I am not cynical towards love. I am a very loving person. I have a very big heart. So when love is supposed to happen, it'll happen again.
What about you?
I think I'm just going to take some time alone and introspect, figure out where my life is going from here. So there's a lot on my mind. There's very less time to think of or get into another relationship.
Okay, and what sort of offers have you been getting since the time your entire?
I've already
Promo
signed the
has
3-film deal with Kumarji. So hopefully something soon shall start with them.
All right, and what are you doing for Bipasha's birthday?
Yeah, there has to be a party. Better get me a gift. I love gifts.
What do you want?
7th of January, my birthday, okay? You also, Faridun.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you also.
Right.
Okay, I love my
He's-
birthday.
he's thinking,
He's
He's thinking, right.
Yeah, because we are going to be right in the middle of promoting Alone. It releases on 16th. So 7th is going to be with the unit, hopefully. And hopefully I get birthday presents from everyone, including you.
What do you want?
He'll give. He's got a big heart.
Absolutely.
He gives everyone he's like Santa Claus on set.
Confession time.
Confession again. You are after him, poor guy.
What
He
would you
gave
want to
you,
confess?
you know,
He says,
Faridun.
what will you give to?
Faridun, just now he gave you such a serious answer, and you are like, confess. What will you give me?
I'll
Think
give you
about it, not thought about
whatever
it.
you want. I'll give you.
No, I don't want anything.
See?
Chalo.
What do I give you then? right.
When I saw the promo, personally I felt that it's a totally new Bipasha Basu that I as a viewer is seeing. I felt a lot of hunger in you. You also said that Hum Shakals was like a horror experience for you.
Yeah.
Somewhere
Unknown
in a
horror.
way, unknown, it's a horror film
Without
without me
knowing.
knowing if this was one.
Yeah.
So somewhere that hunger inside you just drove from that experience in a way, or what exactly was it?
You know, I have a lot of drive. I'm quite a driven person. So, and whenever I commit myself to something, I'm very much there. I'm a 100% girl if I'm into anything, any aspect of my life.
Right.
I give it 100%. You know, sometimes things work for me, sometimes they don't. So that's, you know, even if you backtrack and this, whether it's Raz 3 or Atma, one worked beautifully for me, one did not. I gave it all 100% every time. You know, it's not like from as an actor's point of view,
Right.
I take it right till the last day. I give it all. I am also have realized over these 14 years that It can hurt you at times when things don't work out the way you want it to be. But you know, you should not really pull yourself down, because it's not just your fault. It's just not meant to be, then you can't do anything. So you have to move. So this art I have learned over a period of time. So I am attached to my films till the day of the release, and I live through those experiences, and then whatever the fate, it happens, and then I move. But my hunger has not really changed. I am a very driven person. I am very involved in my films, from the prep to the post and to the promotion. Always. You can ask any team member. I am always involved. I am always on the group. I have the maximum number of questions always, and I love answers.
Right.
So, yeah.
But in terms of selection for movies, because I think you said that your manager said that you need to have like a big commercial movie, you know.
Yeah, they did that, and I landed up in Hum Shakals, and I did not really think it was required for me to go through that at this point of time, because I am Bipasha Basu now.
Right.
I have been last 14 years.
Right.
You know, it's not been that I have disappeared or anything has happened, and I still make the choices of films that I want to do. So I am in a very comfortable space. So I don't like these so-called pressures put on me ever, because I'm quite a free-spirited girl. That's the way I live my life. That's the way I choose my films. And every time I have tried to follow the norm or be a part of the herd, I've fallen.
Right,
so it's always better when I walk alone.
Right.
And
so at any point of
sorry, I'm not trying to plug my film. It's just coming out of my mouth.
Absolutely. But at any point of time, have you spoken to Sajid Khan post the release of Hum Shakals?
No, I'm not interested.
Right.
Really? Why?
Right.
Ho gayi na gayi. Gayi na abhi.
Right.
Past is past.
Right.
That part of your life is over.
Yes.
Are you part of No Entry Part 2? Are you doing a cameo in that?
When it happens, yes, I would be. When it happens.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're doing Vikram Fadnis's Nia.
Yes.
Which seems interesting.
Which is beautiful.
So,
yeah.
Right. It's starting in January, I believe. You're starting the shooting.
It will go to like first week of Feb. No.
First week of Feb now.
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. Finally, your final thoughts on Alone. Any more confessions that you'd like to?
You better confess something on this show.
No, he has already done quite a few. Yeah?
What else can I say?
Yeah.
Really?
Quite a.
I'm just actually.
He said that you are hot. He said that.
I am hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Extremely.
Achha, 1 to 10 desirability question, Bipasha Basu.
10.
140.
140. Another confession. You just have to tell him and you get it.
Don't listen to him.
Why shouldn't
I'm
we
telling
listen
you,
to him?
I've done a whole film with him. He talks non-stop.
There is something. आपके तरफ से होना.
I said this to journalists.
And he finds you an inspiration.
He'll fall into trouble.
कितनी बार inspiration बोला आपको बताइए.
That's true.
और inspiration तो एक मतलब मोहब्बत का एक मतलब you know वो है.
क्या है?
क्या है?
एक part है that if you find.
Everyone,
Right.
don't you agree that I'm inspirational? Yes or no?
I do, you know, because
He said 5
Too
times. 5 times.
I'm very inspired.
Talk about Alone now.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I'm at a stage where everything's very unbelievably good right now. It's very surreal. I'm in a place where, you know, it's like seeing light at the end of the tunnel. It's a nice feeling.
What is the most craziest female fan experience that you've had?
I got stabbed with a pen once.
Acha.
There was this lady who was trying to get to me. I didn't know what she was trying to do to me.
Maybe
But
like
she
a
was trying to-
autograph or something.
Yeah, maybe. Because nobody will want to kill somebody with a pen. So I'm sure it was for an autograph.
Right.
So she kind
Seems
of...
like another Thai film, you know?
Yeah.
Korean film.
She stabbed
No,
Jesus.
he has quite a crazy
I must
fan
have-
following.
must
They
have.
come on my Twitter and they talk.
Must be.
Yeah.
Must be.
Yeah.
Lucky me.
Lucky you.
Now she is not happy actually.
I'm very happy.
You're happy? Okay.
I'm very happy.
All right.
The more the fans, they will come and watch our film.
And you're saying that don't come alone, come with a group.
Yes, absolutely.
Ah,
Girls,
all of-
you
come
can't
together
come
if you
alone.
Ah.
Come in big groups.
Yeah.
Finally, your thoughts on Alone, Bipasha Basu.
I think Alone is going to give a horror genre a lot of credibility, because it is one of the most slickest horror films made.
Right.
Bhushan Patel is a fantastic director. He has done interesting films and they have had great box office collections till now. But I think he's come on his own alone now, because without any support he's made this film, and he's made it's completely his own. So you will see everything that he has done. It's really, really good. He's a total director. He's good with emotions. He's good in terms of camera techniques. Scary scenes are very well shot in our film. So I think Alone is definitely a way forward for the horror genre.
As an actress, how will you rate your performance 1 to 10?
I'm generally very critical about myself. I really liked myself in the film.
Achha, you did 1 to 10?
I did
How
like
much?
7, 8.
7. And you, as an actress?
10, for sure.
Right.
5, 5 नहीं दिया ना, इधर का 5, इधर का 5.
नहीं, दोनों को 10 दिया, 20 हो गया
अच्छा,
total.
20. अच्छा, thanks.
And you feel that the VFX can be like path-breaking as far as India is concerned?
You know, we
actually.
really put a lot of pressure on Indian VFX. It's quite sad because, you know, I have seen really big budget so-called films having really, when they get international VFX also sometimes not up to the mark. You get all the international help and still you don't look that great. So we can't really pull down our technicians much because I think we are doing really well. Whether it was Raz 3, you know, there were parts which were done really well. I don't know if you've seen the climax where you know, the earthworm and the leg coming out, you know.
Right, I've seen that.
There were some really interesting work is happening in India.
And concept is important as well.
Yeah, and particularly this film also, I would say, you know, without any makeup, I played the ghost, and what they turned me out into is really scary, and it's very effective.
Right. You know, I have to just give you one more quotation of Bipasha
Karan
Basu. Yeah,
or mine?
of this one. Karan, yeah.
Karan, he's got quotable quotes of yours. Where are you quoting all these things?
I don't know why everyone asks me questions. Don't want to know, don't ask me.
Yeah, this is interesting.
Yeah.
Since you talk about the without the makeup look,
Yeah.
so what he says,
I know what he says.
I wish she would completely stop using makeup as she has really nice skin and looks even nicer without makeup.
Yeah, but this is both him and Bhushan. Every day after pack up, after gym when we used to meet for the dinner,
Right.
they used to both say that I look great without makeup. I don't know why I use it. So
Right.
yeah, this was the regular thing. But I hear it from many of my co-stars.
Skin has some sort of a divine glow actually.
Thanks,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Bas.
You've given a good.
He's getting into trouble जानबूझ के now.
नहीं,
Keep
नहीं,
quiet.
नहीं बट दिल की बातें मतलब हैं तो
अभी है
सामने
डिवाइन
आएगी।
ग्लो मेरे में, मैं
Right.
क्या करूँ, मैं भगवान हूँ.
क्या बात है, इंस्पिरेशन भी है and your birthday is going to be interesting actually. The gift will be interesting as well hopefully. And
You keep quiet now. I want you to keep quiet.
alright, so thank you very much for being on
Thank
Bollywood Hungama,
you.
and looking forward to Alone for sure, and we hope that it does exceedingly well. And you have a wonderful birthday, and
Thank
happy
you.
birthday to you, and I hope you find a good gift for her
Yeah,
Thank you.
that she likes.
Yeah.
Alright, so
I find a zip for my mouth.
Yeah, I want to
we
give
hope that you don't find a zip for your mom actually. And when we meet the next time around, you have more things to say.
Yeah.
more confessions.
More confessions to make as well. So thank you very much and all the best for you.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That's all we from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching. Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.